I think of all the conferences I've seen, this has probably the most incredible speaker caliber and the most incredible content lineup. Everything is really pertinent, really applicable, and really useful.
This is an amazing event, I have to say that, and I'm not just saying that to you. The UX Live conference last year was fantastic, but this year it's just gone up so many levels. Everybody's here. The speakers I've seen have been fantastic. The workshop I was in with Lisa was fantastic. There's lots of like minds. It's a genuinely exciting place to be, and this is the annual UX conference to be at, to be fair.